Hey everybody, welcome back to Chef Dawg. So today we're going to make broccoli soup.
Broccoli soup. This is my beautiful daughter, Brecklin. Thank you for that introduction. Today, we're doing some broccoli cheddar soup from Costco. Now, it is a Kirkland brand. And by the way, right now, this is going for like $5. It's $2 off. They got a rebate going on right now. That's here in Utah though. Here it is. So this is, we've already had some of it. All you do is heat it up, folks. So here, this is what it looks like. Come on in.
And
now,
I want to dump it.
Oh wait, hold on. So what we're gonna do, just a little secret, so it doesn't burn into the pan, is I spray a little bit of cooking oil, and then I wanna heat it up for just a second before we dump it in. Now I've had this before, it's been a while. Wasn't as big of a fan last time I had it. This one, I've had some already. I think they've made some improvements to it because it seemed to taste better and it was a little creamier. I'm liking it. I'm liking it more than I did last time. Okay, dump it all in. Okay, so I'm just gonna sit and stir it just every once in a while. It should only take a couple minutes to get nice and hot. Now, serving wise, that'll feed me twice, one of those containers. It's been on there long enough. I think, what, 2 minutes maybe? Now, my beautiful wife here and my gorgeous daughter are gonna sample this. And Brecklin loves broccoli. Big fan of broccoli, like loves broccoli. So I'm thinking you should like this. Her mother, on the other hand, hates broccoli because remember, it's green and it's good for you. So why would she like that? But now, who knows, maybe she might like the soup.
Like, why are you making me taste it?
Well, it's a creamy, broccoli creamy soup. Sometimes you like things that, you know, you just never know. We're gonna break up crackers into it, but mom's gonna sample this with just a little cracker, and that's it.
Just a little tiny.
So you didn't get any broccoli, you just got the cracker.
I can taste the broccoli.
So the taste of broccoli.
Sorry.
Hate it? Here, give me back that cracker. I don't want to waste a cracker on you. Okay, Brecklin, break up some crackers in there. Okay, Breck, try it out.
Try a cracker.
Try it out.
Like mom did.
Oh, you're gonna dip the, no spoon? Okay. What do you think? You like it?
I think I will give it like a kind of.
Oh, so you're giving it a 5?
A kind of.
A kind of? Okay. Would you eat more of it? Oh no, you love broccoli, and you wouldn't eat more of this. Well, I like it a lot, and for $5, this would feed me 4 different times. So that's pretty good value if you're asking me. For the cost and for how easy, it's soup, right? I'm gonna give this somewhere in the middle, like a 7.5. It's better than it used to be for sure. Again, I don't know if they've changed something or if this batch was creamier.
Wait, I can buy.
Oh yeah, what are you thinking now? Oh, we're going up.
So this will be like.
Oh, we're giving it a 9? Oh wow. Okay, that's impressive.
Because I don't even taste I only taste the broccoli, but not the other stuff in it.
Oh, so you get more of the broccoli out of it. All right. Well, if you like broccoli soup, broccoli cheese soup, I do. I love it. I would recommend this. We will absolutely have this again and again and again. Especially when it's cold out right now, a nice hot soup. It's just good for you. Just makes the soul feel good. Okay.
So give thumbs up and yeah.
Okay. Well, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Again, we like you. Okay, have a good one. Bye-bye.